My name is Sawyer Turek, sales counselor at Blue Heron in Las Vegas. Welcome to Shoreline, Blue Heron's flagship lakeside living community right next to the village at Lake Las Vegas. Shoreline is a community designed for those who want a connection to nature, water, and a lifestyle all in one place. Here you'll find walking trails, private courtyards, and the kind of access to the lake that makes every day feel like a getaway. It's a neighborhood built for balance. Whether you're here seasonally or year-round, everything you need is right here. The Veran show home brings this to life with spaces made for gathering, light-filled courtyards, and quiet upstairs retreats. Let's go check it out. Each home here at Shoreline offers its own private entry courtyard that doubles as additional entertainment space for all of your guests. The courtyard then directly leads into your great room through the front door. One of the most standout features about the Veran here at Shoreline is the seamless indoor-outdoor transition between your great room to your outdoor living spaces. Our customizable backyards are a natural extension of your indoor living space, providing an excellent spot for morning breakfast or evening relaxation. Adjacent to your great room is going to be your kitchen. This layout offers you a seamless flow between your cooking and dining areas while offering you a massive island perfect for prep space. Rounding out your first floor, where you'll have your powder bathroom, your first floor elevator access, and your two-car garage. Before we head upstairs, I would just like to encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you'd like to see more of these beautiful show home tours from Blue Heron. Now let's go take a look upstairs. Coming up the stairs to the second floor of the Veran, you're immediately met with the elevator door, giving easy access directly from your garage up to your bedrooms. Behind me are the two guest bedrooms, both coming with ensuite bathrooms with a tub shower combo. Directly to my right is going to be your walk-in laundry room, directly adjacent next to the primary bedroom. Walking into the primary bedroom, you're immediately met with the breathtaking views of Shoreline here at Lake Las Vegas. Every single primary bedroom here at Shoreline is going to have its own private balcony facing directly towards a beautiful view, whether that be water, mountainscape, golf courses, or a combination of all three. This primary bedroom and bathroom are a fantastic example of our Vegas modern design philosophy. A few key features that come with Vegas Modern are LED backlighting, floating mirrors in the bathroom, floating cabinetry in the bathroom, and our signature trough sinks. Walking up onto your third floor addition, you're met with a full bathroom to my right, followed by your flex room that can double as a fourth bedroom with its own walk-in closet if you do need an additional bedroom. Now let's walk outside to the best part of the house. Out here on your third floor sky deck is where you're going to be experiencing the most dramatic views of Lake Las Vegas, the beautiful mountainscapes, as well as the breathtaking sunsets here at Lake Las Vegas every single night. Thank you so much for joining me tonight on my tour of the Shoreline show home here at Lake Las Vegas. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. Now it's time for me to relax.